Ever felt lost in the maze of crypto transactions, especially when it comes to sending Bitcoin? You're not alone. Navigating the world of digital assets can feel overwhelming, especially when you're dealing with something as valuable as Bitcoin. One wrong click, one incorrect address, and your precious BTC could vanish into the digital abyss. That's why understanding the ins and outs of sending Bitcoin, particularly on reputable exchanges like Kraken, is absolutely crucial. In this video, we're going to demystify the process of sending Bitcoin using Kraken. We'll walk you through each step, from start to finish, ensuring you have the confidence and knowledge to send your BTC securely and efficiently. No more confusion, no more anxiety, just a clear, concise guide to sending Bitcoin on Kraken. Now, before we jump into the specifics, let's talk a little bit about Kraken. Kraken is one of the oldest and most respected cryptocurrency exchanges in the world. It's known for its robust security measures, its wide range of supported cryptocurrencies, and its user-friendly interface. While the platform is generally intuitive, sending Bitcoin for the first time can still be a little nerve-wracking. That's where we come in. First things first, you'll need to have an active and verified Kraken account. If you don't have one already, head over to kraken.com and follow their registration process. Verification is essential for most functionalities, including sending crypto, so make sure you complete that step. It might take a little time, but it's a crucial part of ensuring the security of your funds. Once your account is set up and verified, log into your Kraken account. You'll be greeted by the main dashboard, which gives you an overview of your portfolio, market prices, and other relevant information. Now, the key to sending Bitcoin lies in understanding the withdraw function. Think of it this way: you're withdrawing your Bitcoin from your Kraken account to send it to another Bitcoin address. Locate the withdraw or funding section on your Kraken dashboard. The exact wording might vary slightly depending on updates to the platform's interface, but it is typically easily found. Click on it. You'll then be presented with a list of cryptocurrencies that you can withdraw. Obviously, in this case, we're interested in Bitcoin, so select BTC. Now comes the crucial part, entering the recipient's Bitcoin address. This is where accuracy is paramount. A Bitcoin address is a long string of alphanumeric characters, essentially a digital address where your Bitcoin will be sent. Think of it like a bank account number, but for cryptocurrency. It's absolutely vital that you copy and paste this address correctly. Even a single typo can lead to your Bitcoin being lost forever. Double, triple check the address. Seriously, don't underestimate the importance of this step. Many experienced crypto users recommend using a QR code scanner if the recipient provides one. This eliminates the risk of human error when typing or copying the address. If you're copying and pasting, make sure you're copying the entire address and nothing more. Sometimes, extra spaces can accidentally get included, which will render the address invalid. Once you've entered the recipient's address with the utmost care, you'll need to specify the amount of Bitcoin you want to send. Enter the amount in BTC. Kraken will also show you the equivalent amount in your chosen fiat currency, like USD or Euro, for your reference. Now, here's another important aspect to consider: network fees. Sending Bitcoin isn't free. There's a small fee associated with every transaction, which goes to the miners who process and validate the transactions on the Bitcoin network. Kraken will typically display the estimated network fee before you confirm the withdrawal. This fee can vary depending on network congestion and the size of your transaction. Kraken might offer different withdrawal options, sometimes with varying fees and transaction speeds. For example, they might have a standard withdrawal option and a faster, but more expensive, option. Choose the option that best suits your needs. If you're not in a hurry, the standard option is usually sufficient and more cost-effective. Before you finalize the transaction, Kraken will likely ask you to confirm all the details. This is your last chance to make sure everything is correct: the recipient's address, the amount of Bitcoin, and the network fee. Take a deep breath and review everything one more time. Once you confirm, the transaction is irreversible. After you've confirmed, Kraken will process your withdrawal request. This process can take anywhere from a few minutes to an hour or more, depending on network congestion. You can track the status of your transaction on the Kraken platform. They'll usually provide you with a transaction ID, which you can use to monitor the progress of your Bitcoin transfer on a blockchain explorer. A blockchain explorer is a website that allows you to view all transactions on the Bitcoin blockchain. It's a public ledger that records every Bitcoin transaction. By entering your transaction ID into a blockchain explorer, you can see where your Bitcoin is in the confirmation process. Once your transaction is confirmed on the blockchain, the Bitcoin will be credited to the recipient's address. They should be able to see the incoming transaction in their Bitcoin wallet. Now, let's recap the key steps. Log into your verified Kraken account. Navigate to the Withdraw or Funding section. Select Bitcoin, BTC, as the cryptocurrency you want to withdraw. Enter the recipient's Bitcoin address with extreme care. Double and triple check it. Use a QR code scanner if available. Specify the amount of Bitcoin you want to send. Review the estimated network fee. Choose your withdrawal option, if applicable. Confirm all the details before finalizing the transaction. Track the transaction status on Kraken and/or a blockchain explorer using the transaction ID. Sending Bitcoin on Kraken, or any exchange for that matter, requires attention to detail and a clear understanding of the process. By following these steps carefully, you can minimize the risk of errors and ensure your Bitcoin reaches its intended destination. Remember, security is paramount in the world of cryptocurrency. Always double-check everything and never rush the process. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.